I mean, you can go h5. I'm not worried. Let's play b6 and d5, I guess. I don't think the sack works, by the way, but he's gonna do it anyway. I think the sack in 1-0 would be good. I think in 2-0 this is a bad sack by Jose. I think they should X the king for the 15. I think in 1-0 this would be a good sack. I think in 2-0 it's a bad decision. Let's go d5. Let's go d4. Don't know why I did that. What am I doing? I'm already misplaying this. I'm gonna go b3 here next move. No, I mean, I guess he can go b3, but still, I mean, this should just be. I should be winning here if I use my time correctly. If I don't use my time correctly, I'm probably going to lose this game. It goes g5. I mean, wait, where's I can also just take. Yeah, I just take. See, in 1-0 Jose would have probably won this game, just to be clear, but in 2-0 it's not going to work out. Yeah, in 1-0 Jose 100% would have won this game. 100% he would have won this game in 1-0 bullet. 100%. Go here. 5. We can see 5 and take. Yeah, now it's just over. Maybe I'm gonna blunder this, but I don't see any way for him to win. I just drop the bishop back, block, and now it's just like his king is completely open. We got the win. It's a good win. I'll